What's up, guys? Coderman TV back again. So today, so what we're doing now though is we're gonna do like a full breakdown on this video. Kind of what I wanted to do. We're gonna show each part individually. We're gonna show Cooter ripping them apart, what you need to do for it, and then Cooter and John are gonna explain a little bit of each part for us real quick. We're gonna send you it over. So we're gonna look right here, and then we got the whole table set up already. We got John. He is the new ambassador for Bikeman, and these parts are going on him and his brother's sled right now. And then Cooter, he's helping install it, you know, Mr. Mechanic over here. So first we'll start over here with Cooter. So what do we got here for the first part?
Well, guys, we got a billet head, come with domes that are interchangeable for elevation and what kind of tuning you're doing, and clutching and everything else.
And then we're gonna work down, we'll just work our way across.
Now you're looking at a green spring for the 850s for the lower elevation. Some sniper weights, the whole setup for that, for the primary, and then they give you a helix for the secondary, and a clutch cover for the primary, lightweight, all billet aluminum, nice stuff. We
also have the other, in the secondary already, we actually put one of the springs in there. It also comes with a secondary spring, black. We already put it in that because we had to take it. We didn't have the proper tool to press it in. So we had to take that already and got that done. But as we work our way across, then we're gonna get into
exhaust, manifold, stingers for high-low elevation. We do not have the can.
Yeah, the can is currently not here. So unfortunately, the can's currently not here. Everything else came, but John couldn't get the can yet, so the can will come site, but we're gonna jump right in. This is gonna be the sled we're gonna be working on today. We're gonna start tearing panels off and everything. And then Cooter and me are gonna go through it. We're gonna try to go slow and go to each thing that you need to do, go from there. We still gotta work on the primary. Like I said, the secondary's done, other than that one piece that's over there yet. So let's get into it. Pulling off the airbox, the top of the airbox. What are we ripping into next, Dad?
Well, we gotta get the exhaust offer.
Where's your puller?
I got the puller. And I need a wrencher. You got a wrencher. First you gotta take this here sensor off.
Take both here sensors off.
There's one in the can. There's one in the can and one in the pipe. There you go. Take your puller here. Grab hold of the springs, you know. They're so heavy, I don't know if I can lift it out of there. Oh, just like that, son. Get this garbage out of here. I tell you what, you gotta get yourself one of these. Even if you're in the field, you need one of these.
Spring puller.
You never know. They are the only way. There's a couple different ones out there.
Kyle!
Kyle! That's Kyle, everyone.
Getting his Starbucks.
Yeah, how we doing? Let's
Starbucks
go.
with his basic bitch.
Let's go.
Although I'm not gonna lie, my basic bitch drink is right there too. Strawberry.
That's your basic bitch drink?
Yeah.
Make it rain.
Here we go. I got my basic bitch drink while we're working on sleds.
Yeah.
There we go.
Taking this off. Alright, everyone. Got our own hook.
Easy peasy. Slide right out. Drop stuff in the bottom of the pan.
Just springs, you know. Make sure you pick them up. There should be 3.
Where the fuck did that go? There it is. Don't want to leave that in there. That'd be bad.
Put it in your cup, so.
Always keep a cup with your stuff. Fucking good thing Cooter has small hands. On big old fucking bear paws like me. It's hard to get to those last couple of bolts underneath that Y pipe.
It's easy. It's easy, everyone will do it. Right?
Alright, now we got all the bolts out of the Y pipe. We're gonna rip her off. Comes off nice and easy. He's starting to do the lower coolant hose right now. I'm gonna drain all the coolant out of this. And then, like I said, we have a bunch of catch pans underneath to catch it so we don't get it all over the shop floor.
Or some of it.
A little bit's better than all of it. Woo, look at it drain right out. Oh, we're gonna miss. Then you just slide it all back on now after you drained it. No point of leaving it undone.
Just kind of keep the coolant off the upper end when you pull the head.
Now we're starting to pull off the head right now. This will be the next step in this process. Proper tools make a job easier, huh, Peter? Is that thermostat?
Coolant temp sensor.
Coolant temp sensor coming out. Once you got all the lines loosened, he's pulling all the hoses off the back right now. Once you got the heads loosened, once we get that off, we'll pull the whole head off. Here we go with the head. Pop right off. We already drained all the coolant. See, he's pulling out the old O-rings right now. These look pretty good too. Like I said, what it comes down to is sometimes they're a little wear and tear. You know, you take stuff off, you know, it could hurt the ring, but we're just gonna replace it all. No point while we're in here not to.
For a $25 part.
Yeah, for a $25 part that can save you from premature failure, so.
We kind of figured out after you left that. Every so often, we need to plug that.
Like that. The blue's in there.
There we go, Booter's getting the heads put on.
Yeah, that's it tonight.
This is Coda. It's Cooter.
How you doing, bud?
What doing, bud? I'm knee deep here. Hold on.
Got nothing left to do, huh? Well, yeah, we put the plastics on just to keep everything looking clean.
Jeez, I'm gonna start leaving shit around here more.
Mm-hmm. Swivel.
Probably have a new one for it. See how long this one lasts.
Yeah.
What'd you just pick it up?
No, this will be my third year. I only rode it. I've only ridden it 1 year though. I didn't ride it last year. Just sat in my garage and somehow fucking the motor went to shit just sitting there.
Yeah. Now we're gonna be throwing on the pipe.
Yeah,
Bikeman.
Cody, he just signed a deal with them in their skis. And he swears by it. So he
Get her on there snug. Yeah.
What do you got left to do on that? Just clean the road up.
They did everything for me. You know, hard for the first one.
Yeah, you can't leave stuff around these guys. They expect to come back
They get bored and just fix shit.
and not be able to work on it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yep.
Now I just need the clutches and we're good.
We ran it for about, I don't know, close to 10 minutes the last time. We did new rollers, new spring.
Yep.
Find my X. X marks the spot for my dot.
Oh, you put it right in front of the camera, Dad.
Son.
So now we got the secondary done. Like I said, the spring was already done, so we just had to put that cover on. So you just want to make sure you line the X up with the dot right there. So basically, you know, you have the 1074 here. This is like 72.4 grams or 72.7 grams. But being that we put everything in here, you can adjust where the weight is, which is going to change the inertia in your clutch with the rollers and everything. So they're definitely interesting, and you can play with this. You could take 1.4 grams out, see how that performs for you. You know, maybe if you're always riding at 3,000 elevation, maybe if you want to put like another 1.4 gram to really help, you know, get where you need to be. So it just depends on where you ride, how you ride. So sheesh, look at her, all finished product. Let's slap her on and eat. So now we got John and Donnie's sled done. We're just putting some antifreeze in it. They got the flashes done. So we're gonna show you really quick this, and then we're gonna pull them out, let you hear them run and everything. So like I said, we got the head done, the Y pipe's done, the pipe itself's done. The Bikeman can is not here yet, so we're just gonna throw the stock cans back on for now. And then obviously down here, got the new clutch cover, new clutch spring, new weights, new spring on the secondary and everything. So these sleds should rip hard now. Like I said, with the tuner and everything, should be another 19 to 21 horsepower. So that's a pretty good size difference. So let's get into clips of them running and everything and go from there. There's the man himself. Did all the work on these two sleds, got them fired up, ready to go. Both 850s, Bikeman stage 2 kits all the way through. Sounding mean. 19 to 21 horsepower game. Go from there. What do you think? You ready to ride, bud?
Oh, boy, am I ever.
So hopefully we get some snow in the next couple weeks, and we really can put these on the snow. We'd love to put them on the snow. We got to, obviously, once we ride, see what the kits are doing for the clutching, and then we'll adjust from there. Right now we got it on the standard 0 to 3,000. It gives you a board of what type of weights you're going to put in and for what elevation. So we'll see if we got to adjust a gram or two here and there, but otherwise, these are going to be John and his brother-in-law's new sleds for the season with the kits, stage 2 kits. So we'll go from there. So hopefully I can get some good content from it. Maybe get to ride one of them and see the difference.
Oh, you almost definitely get to ride them. So will you, Cooter.
Cooter, you can't wait. He's gonna be wheeling this bad boy over here. Bikeman Perfromance. Smoky! And then they also Torque Link. That's what they use to make the tunes. So that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. We were up here for 2 days in Maine. You know, like I said, the snow is not really anywhere. So we're going to finish this up. But we really went through on Donnie's sled and showed you guys everything we had to do to put the kit on. So if you guys are looking in for a Bikeman Stage 2 kit, look on bikeman.com. Otherwise, that's going to be the end of today's video, guys.
Cheers.